Namaste everybody, welcome to MyYogaTeacher. Let's begin our 10-minute yoga practice. Slowly lie down on your back, extend both legs. Bend your knees, lift your buttocks up, and as you exhale, gently lower down into Setu Bandhasana. Take a couple of rounds, lifting up and down slowly. Now release the legs and stretch them out. Now bring your right knees closer to the chest. Gently press it in and release. Change the leg. Bring the left leg to the knee. Chest, press and release. Continue alternatively 4 to 5 rounds. Once again, bend both knees. Stretch your arms to the sides, palms facing down, feet flat on the mat. Inhale at the center, and as you exhale, drop your knees to the right, turning your head to the left. Bring the knees back to the center with inhalation. Repeat this movement 4 to 5 times. Now staying on the right side, swing your right arm over your head and try to touch your left hand. Repeat this 3 times. Next, drop your knees to the right, swing your left arm over your head and try to touch to the right hand. Bring both knees to the chest and hug your knees. Gently press and release for a couple of rounds. Now, let's reduce the intensity of the movement. Slowly sit up, lie down, sit up again, and gently lie down. Release the legs completely and relax. Turn your body and lie down on your belly. Place your hands beside your ribs. With inhalation, lift your upper body up like a cobra, and as you exhale, come down. Repeat this action 4 to 5 times. Interlock your fingers at the back of your head. Flap your elbows up and down 3 to 4 rounds. Now swing your arms back to the lower back. Stretch them up over the head. Bring the hands back to the lower back again and stretch the arms forward over the head. Now, place your hands by the sides of the chest. Come into Bhujangasana. From here, gently twist your upper body and try to look towards your heels. Return to the center and lower down. Now repeat this action on the other side. Come back to the center and lower down. Repeat on each side 3 to 4 times. From here, let's come into Balasana. Sit your buttocks on the heels, arms stretch forward, and rest your forehead on the mat. Relax here for a few seconds. Now, start stretching your hands towards the right without disturbing your lower body, allowing your upper body to stretch towards the left. Come back to the center. Without lifting your forearms, move your body forward, touch your chin in the mat, and bring it back. Repeat this movement a couple of times. Now, let's come into a kneeling position for cat and cow. Inhale, lift your head up and arch the spine. Exhale, hunch your back and round the spine. Let's repeat this with smooth breathing for a few rounds. With inhalation now, stretch your right arm sideways and up. Then come into the thread and needle position, passing the right arm through the space between the left hand and left knee. Repeat the same movement with the left arm. Let's practice this for a few rounds on each side. Now, stretch your both arms forward and walk your body ahead. Come into the puppy pose. Tuck your toes and start moving your body forward and back. Slowly, move your hands closer to the knees and continue the forward and backward movement. Bring your body completely closer to your knees. Now lift your knees off the floor and gently place them back down on the mat. Move up and down 4 and 5 times. This helps improve your ankle mobility. Now, while staying in the position, lift your arms up and balance on the toes. Hunch your back and bring the backs to your palms together in front of the body. Push your arms back, open the chest, and bring your arms back together in front of the body. Let's repeat this a few times. And let's make sure we are focusing on the breathing while we are doing these stretches. Alright, moving on. Now, come into the kneeling position, stretch your right arm forward and left leg back. Bend the left knee, grab your left ankle and gently raise it up towards the sky. Release the leg and bring your left knee towards the chest, connecting it with the right elbow. Release and extend. Now switch to the other side. Stretch the left arm forward and right leg back. Bend the right knee, grab the right ankle and lift it up. Release, then bring the right knee and left elbow closer together. Release and gently lower it down. Moving forward, let's begin with tucking your toes. As you tuck your toes, lift your knees just 6 inches off the mat. Hold briefly and slowly lower them down. Flatten your feet and come back into Balasana. From here, inhale and come into the upward facing dog. Lift your chest up. Then gently lower your forehead down. Once again, move into the upward facing dog and come back into Balasana. Now, bring your right foot outside the right palm, stretch your left arm up sideways and gently go into the back end. Lower the hand down and step the right leg back. Now change the side. Now bring the left foot outside the left palm, stretch your left arm up and then drop the left forearm down. Bring the left leg back and return to the central position, which is relaxing Balasana. Once again, come into the upward facing dog. Move into the downward facing dog and shift forward into a high plank. Drop the knees down and come back to Balasana, which is the central relaxing posture. Let's repeat this one more time. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog. To Adho Mukha Svanasana, the downward facing dog. From here, walk your hands closer to your feet and come into Padahastasana. Interlock your elbows. Inhale, lift your upper body up and gently go into a back bend. Exhale and drop the body down. Now inhale again and come back into the back bending. Now start swinging your body clockwise, keeping the forearms interlocked. Then slowly start moving anti-clockwise. Release the hands, hold your calf muscles and go deeper into Padahastasana. Slowly release the posture and relax. Well, that's it for today's session. Thank you so much for joining us today. We'll see you around soon.